Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a wonderful project you're going to love. Now you're going to need a glass like this. You can get it at the dollar store. It doesn't have to be this exact size. It could be rounder, but you know, it should be small. You're going to need a roll of these gold rhinestones, and I'll leave the link under the description. You're going to need a glue gun and some gold spray paint. Also, you're going to need some adhesive, and you can get that super glue adhesive at the dollar store. Okay, so let's start. I'm just going to unroll this. I'm actually going to put it on the floor so it unrolls. Okay. The first thing we're going to do is start it off at the top by using hot glue. And then we're going to continue around with the hot glue. Just try not to over glue it. Okay, now the next step is you're going to take some tape, and you're just going to tape around the very edge of the gold. It doesn't even have to go down. As long as it covers the face of the gold, that's all you need to worry about. So just go in a circle. The bottom, like right here, doesn't matter. As long as the face of it is covered and this is not sticking. There you go. Just go around. Just make sure it's covering the Basic gold. And now the next thing, just make sure your glass is cleaned and wiped off. And the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna spray paint the bottom gold. Now I'm gonna take this outside and spray paint it.